Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to make long shadows in Adobe Illustrator. Before starting, please subscribe my channel. Insert a text. Type it. Copy text layer. Keep this layer inside for a few minutes. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Transform. Copy the same if you want the same, but you can change it according to your need. You can play the value to see which suits you. Now change the color of a second layer and moved it in front of first layer. Congratulations! You have done it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel.